Motherboard. The motherboard is a large, flat circuit board that serves as the central hub of a computer, connecting all the other components together. Its main function is to enable communication between the various parts of the system. Despite being one of the most vital components, it's often less expensive compared to others. In many ways, it can be thought of as the heart of the computer. CPU. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, often referred to as the processor, acts as the brain of the computer. While it doesn't store much data itself, it's extremely efficient at processing it, handling tasks like complex calculations and scanning through large data sets. Most software runs directly through the CPU, and nearly every operation carried out by a computer involves the CPU at some stage. Graphic card. To render 3D environments using complex calculations, a computer must perform a tremendous amount of processing. The real challenge, however, lies in displaying those visuals on your screen. This is the job of the graphics card. Essentially, it functions like a mini computer focused solely on visual output, determining which pixels to light up and what colors to use. While some CPUs include built-in, integrated graphics, these are typically less powerful than dedicated standalone graphics cards. RAM. The RAM is also known as random access memory, is a temporary data storage system that's much faster than a hard drive but holds far less information. Its main role is to give the CPU quick access to the data it needs right away. For example, when you're waiting on a loading screen in a game, it's usually because the system is moving data from the slower hard drive into the faster RAM. This allows the CPU to work more efficiently once the game starts. RAM connects to the motherboard using a slim, stick-like module, unlike the hard drive, which uses cables. One key thing to remember is that RAM doesn't keep your data permanently. Everything in it is erased when the computer shuts down. SSD or solid-state drive, serves the same purpose as a hard drive. It stores your files and data, but it does so much faster and with greater durability. As a newer form of storage technology, SSDs are often used alongside traditional hard drives or can replace them entirely. While they offer better performance, they also tend to be more expensive than regular hard drives. Case. The case is essentially the enclosure, usually made of plastic or metal, that houses all the components of a computer. It comes in different sizes, with the most common being mini tower, mid tower, and full tower, depending on how much space is needed. It's best to choose the case after selecting your components to ensure that everything fits properly inside.